Okay, so now that we know our trends, we're gonna move on to the market phases. Now, what do I mean by market phases? The market moves in phases. We have an accumulation phase, a public participation phase, and a distribution phase. Now, how do you know where in the phase we are? Well, this move up is clearly the public phase. This trend up is clearly the public phase because the public is the one pushing it up. The public is pushing it up right here. Public phase. Now, this right here, accumulation phase. Notice how after it has been trending up, it suddenly became flat and it started to range. This is the distribution phase. This is the distribution phase, meaning that there are people, investors that know what's coming and they are selling. They are selling to the public phase that still believe this can continue up. These hedge funds or these professionals that are selling to the public that still believe this can go up are accumulating their position here for the distribution phase, which will eventually continue down when this secondary trend can be taken out. Public phase, distribution phase, and this right here, it's the accumulation phase. Which would be this low area here. The professionals that know the market is about to go up. These professionals or traders that know an inside news, they know the market is about to push higher. They are accumulating their position here. This is called the accumulation phase before the breakout, which the breakout is the public phase. The accumulation phase is the professional traders, investors, hedge funds, and everyone that knows this stock is about to move higher. This is where they're buying. And then the public phase comes in after the breakout. This is the public phase pushing the price higher. And then here we are in the distribution phase, where then price will likely break down and distribute, meaning that the hedge funds and other professionals that got in here, they will be exiting their positions here. They will be exiting their positions here. And when they exit their positions here, that will scare the public traders that are in it, the all types of traders, to exit their position. And as they exit, then this just causes the market, or at least this ticker, to drop. When everybody exits their position, this just causes this ticker to drop. Now, again, we have three phases in the market. You have the accumulation phase, which is where professionals build their position. We have the public phase where the people waiting for confirmation, traders, swing traders, wait for confirmation on the breakout and then they push the price higher. That's the public. Now, once we reach a high and we start to range like this, refusing to move higher than the previous high, this right here is a distribution phase. This is a position that is being built for distribution on the way down. Distribution on the way down. Now, when distribution comes down and you guys see this big sell-off, that's usually these traders that are investors, that are swing traders, and that are beginners, they start to panic. So as they start to panic, they also exit their positions, pushing the price lower, pushing the price lower to these lows. Now, when the market sells off really, really hard, that's when everybody is panicking. That's when you want to buy. You want to buy when there's blood in the streets, even if it's your own. That's when you want to buy. Because after the distribution will eventually create another accumulation, and that's where you want to buy in. For example, here. Notice how we stalled here. After we have been moving up, we stalled. This is the public. This is the public. Okay, this is the public. Then we have here our distribution phase. And then this is what happens after the distribution phase. Okay, once it breaks out, this is what happens. Now, once it drops like this to the lows, that's where you want to buy. When everybody is bearish, everybody is panicking, everybody is negative about the market, that's when you want to buy. This right here is also an accumulation. An accumulation phase, this right here. And then here's the move up, the public. This is the public right here. See the public, and then here again. So again, just know where in the market we are at for you not to get caught in a big sell-off, for you to remove your exposure in the market when you know that we are topping out like this. You reduce your exposure. You do not want to be 100% exposed at these highs when the market is about to distribute. Know where you're at in the market. Know what the market is doing so you can know your next move. Very, very important.